Meaning of genealogical.
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 Genealogical. The term genealogical refers to the study or tracing of a person or family's ancestry or lineage. This includes researching and documenting family trees, identifying relationships between ancestors and descendants, and understanding how genetic traits are inherited. Genealogical research can provide insights into one's cultural and ethnic heritage, as well as information about the historical contexts in which ancestors lived. Additionally, genealogical research can also help individuals connect with distant relatives and build a sense of identity and belonging within their family and community. Overall, genealogical pertains to the study of family history and ancestry.